Dodge Ram 1500 quick picked.
Alright. Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good. You alright? This your vehicle?
It shouldn't go off, right? It's gonna go off. The key's in the thing. Oh, well, I don't know. I've never tried it.
It's supposed to still go off.
Oh, okay.
It's supposed to still go off, but you're all set now. Let's get the keys and put it back around here. Yeah, give me the key. Give me the key. Oh yeah. Oh, you got it. Okay. Check your key and make sure your key still works. It's non-destructive.
Okay.
Oh yeah, non-destructive.
The phone tap to pay or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me pull up the thing for you.
Call 839-056751. Delano Locksmith, your trusted non-destructive locksmith in South Carolina.